Learn Hungarian future. I will go.
Menni fogok.
Welcome. Hey there, language adventurer. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to smart language hacks. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Strap in, sip your coffee, and flex your future talking muscles. We're going to make Hungarian, will go, forms so easy that even your calendar nods in approval. Your goal today. Today you'll nail the Hungarian future of to go, so you can plan trips like a pro. Ready? I will go equals.
Menni fogok.
You, sing, will go equals.
Menni fogsz.
He will go equals.
El fog menni.
She will go equals.
El fog menni.
That will work, it will go, equals.
Menni fog.
We will go equals.
Menni fogunk.
You, plural, will go equals.
Menni fogtok.
They will go equals.
Ők el fognak menni.
Forms with rhythm. Clap along, rhythm makes memory sticky. Say them with me. Step, step. I will go.
Menni fogok.
Tap, tap. You will go.
Menni fogsz.
Walk, walk. He will go.
El fog menni.
Walk, walk. She will go.
El fog menni.
Thumbs up. That will work.
Menni fog.
Train whistle. We will go.
Menni fogunk.
Group march. You, plural, will go.
Menni fogtok.
Wave goodbye. They will go.
Ők el fognak menni.
Funny bus stop dialogue. Let's eavesdrop at a Budapest bus stop, laughs included. A. Big day tomorrow. I will go early.
Menni fogok.
B. Bold. If you miss the bus, you will go on foot.
Menni fogsz.
Galog. A. And Peter? He will go no matter what.
El fog menni.
B. Anna too? She will go with an umbrella.
El fog menni.
A. Can we meet at 6? B.
Menni fog.
That will work. A. Great, then we will go together.
Menni fogunk.
B. To the group, after coffee, you all will go to the museum.
Menni fogtok.
A muzamba. A. And our friends? B. They will go after lunch.
Ők el fognak menni.
Ebéd után. Narrator. The bus arrives, everyone smiles, and the plan? Totally.
Menni fog.
Quick drills. Echo me fast. Say the English in your head, then the Hungarian out loud. I will go. Answer.
Menni fogok.
You, sing, will go. Answer.
Menni fogsz.
He will go. Answer.
El fog menni.
She will go. Answer.
El fog menni.
That will work. Answer.
Menni fog.
We will go. Answer.
Menni fogunk.
You, plural, will go. Answer.
Menni fogtok.
They will go. Answer.
Ők el fognak menni.
Culture tip. Fog the future. Here's a handy Hungarian hack you'll love. Hungarian often uses the present for future plans in context, like, tomorrow I go, but the clearest, all-purpose way is fog plus infinitive.
Menni fogok. Menni fogsz. El fog menni.
It sounds natural, polite, and perfect when you want zero ambiguity. Also, yes.
Fog.
Means, tooth, too, don't bite the grammar, just enjoy it. Mini quiz. Lightning round, answer out loud, then I'll confirm. Q1. Translate, we will go. A.
Menni fogunk.
Q2. Say, that will work. A.
Menni fog.
Q3. Translate, you, plural, will go. A.
Menni fogtok.
Q4. Translate, they will go. A.
Ők el fognak menni.
Q5. Translate, I will go. A.
Menni fogok.
Challenge and wrap up. Final mission. Stitch it all into your day. Challenge. Record yourself saying all 8 forms in rhythm, then use 2 in real plans today. After work, we will go.
Menni fogunk.
If the time changes, that will work.
Menni fog.
Quote. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, smile at your progress, and remember, with Synapse Lingo, your language goals.
Menni fognak.
They'll go forward. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, downloads, and fun challenges. Bye for now.